You?
I'm fine, sir. And how are you?
I'm doing well, thank you. So, do you have some internet problem at your end?
Yeah, my father went out with his friend,
Okay. Okay.
and he said there is balance. There is internet. The internet connection will work. But when he went away, there was no button join. It was just written cancel, and it was wrote what was, and the button will appear at 10:55.
Okay.
But it was already 11:07 o'clock. I was clicked on. My father said, "Don't click on the cancel button."
Okay.
And then I went out down. Then my father came back. I thought he was waiting in his friend's room, but when I went there, he was outside. I was about to call him, but then he came back.
Okay. All right, no problem. So, did you have a good day yesterday?
Yeah. Yesterday, no, sir. It was very cold.
Okay. All right.
And we ate a lot of food at night.
Okay, very nice. That sounds good.
And how was your day yesterday?
Yeah, it was good. Okay. So, did you have a chance to take a look at today's session material?
Yes. If you had to lose a sense.
Exactly. So, tell me, Ritika, what are the 5 senses we have?
It is first hearing, tasting,
yes,
touching, and seeing, and another 5th one I don't remember.
Smelling.
Yes, smelling.
Okay, very good. So according to yeah, go ahead.
I just ask. Nothing said. You can go ahead first.
Okay, so according to you, which is the most important sense?
The most important sense is here. All the sense are fine. All the sense help us.
Okay,
but
you say all the senses, not all the
senses.
Because it is plural.
But if I want to choose one, I think hearing.
You think hearing is the most important?
Answer for you, which is the most important?
I think seeing is the most important.
Yeah, seeing and hearing all are important. But if we choose one, it's very hard.
Yes.
Which one should I choose? Smelling or hearing or looking?
Which one do you think is the most important?
It is hearing and smelling. Because if there is, I don't know the reason why, but if we close our eyes, there's one game which we play.
Yeah.
In real life and in mobile also. We cover our eyes, so we only noses can help us at that time when we are covering our eyes with any cloth. So nose can help us to smell. Is it good or bad?
Yes.
So I think nose is the best for me. Yes.
Okay.
And sir, can you tell me the reason why you prefer the eyes?
Eyes, because without our eyes, if our eyes don't work, we can't do anything at all.
Yeah,
we can't walk, we can't read, we can't see anything. So without our eyes, we just cannot live.
Yes, we cannot live.
We cannot live happily.
Yes, our devil, we can't see anything if we are crossing the road.
Even if we want to read a book, we can't read a book.
Yes, we can't.
We can't go to school because we can't read anything.
But some peoples do not. Some peoples don't eyes. They wear specs.
So, what?
How can they? How can some peoples?
Okay.
Do not have eyes. So, sir, how can they see?
They can't see. They can't see.
But why do they wear the black specs?
Oh, that means they can see, but they have some defect in their eyes. Okay, so maybe they have eyes, but they're not working perfectly well. Okay. So so if you had to lose one sense, which one would you lose if you had a choice?
If I had a choice,
Yes.
I think I will hearing.
Hearing? You lose hearing?
No, no, that's not. No, I think touching.
Touching? Okay.
And
Okay.
sir, what about you?
If I were to lose a sense, probably I would lose a sense of smelling.
Why?
Why? Because I think that is perhaps the least important, I think.
Oh, so means you want to lose your nose.
No, I don't want to lose my nose, but if I lose one sense, if I had a choice, then I would lose my sense of smelling, I think, because even if I can't smell, I can still survive.
Yeah, but sir, choose smelling. But if your mother or anyone made yummy dishes and you don't know if it's good, so you have to smell it. Because whenever my mother is making anything, the smell comes so nice of the food, whichever she makes, and I don't want to lose my nose. So I want to smell more dishes from her.
Okay. Okay. So did you know that snakes are deaf? Did you know that? Did you know that
What, sir?
Did you know that snakes are deaf?
Deaf means?
Deaf means they can't hear.
I know that because in snakes I have never whenever I watch in my book there is one snake poem.
Yes.
In the picture they don't have ears.
Yes.
But my teacher told that they don't have ears, but inside their body there are ears.
But snakes cannot hear anything.
Is that true?
Yes. Yes.
But fish can hear.
Fish, I don't know about fish. Maybe fish can hear. I don't know about them. But snakes can't hear anything. And
but my teacher told that fish don't.
Okay, when you say you should say that.
My teacher told that if you look at a.
Okay, instead of saying my teacher told that, you say my teacher said that. Okay.
Even I said my teacher said that.
Yeah, perfect.
If you look at a picture of a fish, they don't have ears, but inside their body, there are ears.
Okay.
Like us.
Okay, I didn't know that.
And they can hear.
Okay, very good. But snakes cannot hear. They are deaf. So now, do you know the meaning of the word deaf?
Yes, I know.
Okay, very good.
They can't hear.